Some collars may be used only when walking the dog. This multi-purpose leather collar is also meant to be used for handling and training. It may be put on your dog during obedience or a leash training. The collar is made of very strong, durable and soft leather. It will not tear and its edges will not fray. If used properly, the item will serve your pet for many years. Decorated with brass circles, the collar looks neat and stylish. The golden circles will not fall out because they are reliably secured with brass ribbons. The buckle, D-ring for leash attachment, and the additional ring are made of nickel-plated steel. The hardware is rust-proof and long-lasting. With this elegant dog collar, there is no need to buy several collars for different activities with your dog. Your canine will always look good and feel comfy when wearing it.